Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about maintenance, the activities we carry out to keep systems and equipment running smoothly and in good working order. We are going to consider the different types of maintenance, the main features of each, the professionals who take care of our equipment, and the criteria they use to diagnose problems. As already mentioned, we call maintenance all the activities we carry out to keep our gear, tools, and machinery in good condition and proper functioning. Just like a kid takes care of their bike, oiling the chain and inflating the tires on a regular basis. Maintenance is of the utmost importance for a lot of reasons. First, we want to take small issues under control and make sure they don't become big problems. Second, we want to extend the lifespan of our precious tools. Moreover, operating with perfectly working instruments enhances safety and reduces the risk of potential accidents. Last, but not least, it saves us money, avoiding costly repairs and reducing downtime. There are basically two types of maintenance, corrective and preventive maintenance. The difference. In the former case, we repair an object after it has stopped working. In the latter, we take proactive measures to prevent this scenario. What can we do to keep things running smoothly and prevent problems before they occur? There are three main strategies, resulting in three different maintenance policies: time-based maintenance, condition-based maintenance, and predictive maintenance. In the case of components that are sensible to wear and tear, we program maintenance at fixed time intervals. In other cases, we may opt for maintenance to be performed as a threshold value is reached, like when we change tires on our car. There's also a more sophisticated form of maintenance that is able to predict possible issues based on data, sensors, and analytics. That is called predictive maintenance. But before we can fix anything, we need to know what the problem is. Here diagnostics comes into play. By definition, diagnostics is the identification of the cause of a problem or fault in a system. There are two types of diagnostics, visual and instrumental. The former involves using our senses to detect a problem, sight, hearing, even smell. The latter, on the other hand, uses specialized tools and instruments to pinpoint the problem. The skilled professionals who are responsible for carrying out maintenance activities are the maintenance technicians. Among the many activities they perform, they inspect equipment, perform routine maintenance, lubricating, cleaning, and changing worn-out components. They troubleshoot faults, performing diagnosis on malfunctioning equipment, and, lastly, they document their activities for future reference. One of the basic concepts technicians acquire is the difference between faults and failures. A fault is a temporary suspension in the normal functioning of an object, a warning sign of potential issues. A failure, on the other hand, is when a system or component can no longer perform its intended function. In summary, whether you choose to wait until an object or system breaks down before you fix it, or you take proactive measures to prevent possible failure, you are adopting some form of maintenance policy. They are based on key concepts, such as fault and failure, diagnostics, and maintenance technicians. I thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to be kept in the loop on the latest news about maintenance. Until next time.